Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to delete your Trello board. First of all, you have to create a board. So you go and search your board title, and then you find the visibility, whether you're going to do workspace, public, or private. And then we're going to click on create. And then after you create your template, you're going to see that your template is present here. So after you do it, you're going to press on workspace settings, and you can change the workspace settings. You can invite people. You can do whatever you want. However, if you're not interested in the Trello Word, like the workspace, you can easily delete it by going to delete this workspace. You can click on it and then enter the workspace name to delete it. So you're gonna click on workspace settings and then delete this workspace, and then you're gonna type the name, and we're gonna type the workspace name here, Jaja, and then we're gonna click on delete the workspace, and we're done. So as you guys can see that the workspace is not located here anymore, and we're done with that workspace. So that was it for this video. That's how you delete your Trello um, workspace. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. By the way, we're uploading videos about money making, so please subscribe and see you all in the next video.